kind of nice in here. Parang may tao dun. Good morning, Vietnam! Maayong aga sa tanan! Sa tanan! Sakit yung ano. Wala na akong ano guys. Good morning guys! Maayong buntag! Maayong aga! Magandang umaga! Tapos ko ng binahugan. Anyway guys, let the dog out. Saka sobrang ginaw sa labas guys. Magginaw talaga sa labas. Pinakain yung aso. Pinakain ko na sila. Kumain naman. Kinain nila lahat. Ang gawin ko, ako naman ang kakain. So, yung kakainin ko is the same thing over and over. Not pancake guys. Hindi pancake ha. It's a croissant. It's gonna be hot this coming Sunday, which is thumbs up with that. I'm tired of this cold thing all the time. It's supposedly be summer already, but it's not really doing it good. Kapag may Costco kayo, or punta kayo sa Costco, bilhin nyo yung croissants na naka-box. Malaki. Nakita nyo naman sa video ko, di ba? Na yung malaking box, hindi sobrang kalakihan. Mga ganitong croissants, oh, naka-line up siya sa box at saka may cellophane naka-cover sa taas. Yun. I-try nyo lang yun, guys. Punta kayo sa Costco, kunin nyo yun. Ay, nako, guys. Sobrang sarap ng croissants na ito. Saka malaman sa loob. Hindi katulad ng ibang croissants na, yung croissants na pag kinagat mo, ang sa loob wala na. Ito, moist. Moist. Hindi moist kasi malata-lata naman. Maano siya. Maraming laman sa loob. Yung maraming, you know, braiding sa loob. Hindi yung empty, may mga naka-empty, may mga langob-langob ba, may mga cave-cave, no? Hindi ito. Sobra talagang, at masarap siya. At masarap talaga siya, guys. Masarap. Ang gagawin ko ngayon, tapusin ko lang tong, pagkatapos kong kumain, tapusin ko lang tong, ini-edit ko na video para nga, for today's video. Tapusin ko lang tong sa sahig, at saka, for second coat. And then, I think that's it. Second coat is good. Tommy said, oh, do third coat. I think second coat is good enough. And yeah, so just to protect the wood. What? I'll give you all the love, the love, the love. Living without you, what is it? What is it? In your arms, in my shoulder, and you are a good is crazy. I just wanna talk, I just wanna fall in love with you, baby. Ooh. I wanna take forever tonight. I'm living without you. Ding da ding da ding da ding da ding da ding. I don't wanna talk, I just wanna fall in love with you, baby. I wanna take forever tonight. Ingon ani pag maboring ang life, I'm living without you. Rock zero, zero, pagka-zero ka auto, ang imong auto, na si Rocky, Ay, nako, Bob. No crying, Bob. I just feed you, Bob. What do you want in my life, Bob? When I had my breakfast, my aunt called me because she told me something about my grandma. And then, after that, I edit the video because while I was eating, I called my family. After talking to my aunt, I called my family. and tell my mom to be there for her mother, because my grandma is having problem with something, a lump, a big lump beside somewhere. I think it's in her liver, and outside of her body. I think you can see. I think that's how they explain it to me, that you can see the side, the lump side of somewhere the body of my grandma. And then every time they push it, and she's having this pain for a few months already, since February. That's what my aunt said. And then so I called my mom while I'm having my breakfast. While I had my breakfast, I called my mom to tell her to be there for her, to take care of her, to, you know, somebody is there, but you know, they need somebody extra help. Sabi ng mama ko, she will be there for next week. Oh no, tomorrow, not next week. Tomorrow, she will be there tomorrow. My father will go there with her for like 7 o'clock. And then, you know, that means it's 5-hour travel, I think. It's 5 hour. Vacuum rocks. I'm gonna do vacuum yum rocks. Yes. Okay, I'm coming here. Look, she's shaking. Yeah, I'm gonna do vacuum. I'm gonna do clean. I'm gonna do clean the floor. I'm gonna do clean the furniture. I love you, baby. Mag-a-apply pa na ako ng trabaho, guys. No, gusto ko na talaga magtrabaho. Rox, biya. Anak kita dito, Rox, biya. Anak kita. Biya. Aalis na, Rox, biya. Anak kita. Biya, anak kita. Biya, anak kita. Biya, anak kita. Kita. Anak ko, don't you dare try to bite me. She just like doesn't even do bite hard. She just because she know if she do like this, she will be punished really bad. One time, accidentally, she grabbed my hand. She doesn't do it accidentally because I grabbed my hand fast. So I think in the other house. Tables look like when there's no cover. This one, it's a cover to protect the wood. Look at it. Look how nice it is. It's shiny in there. This wood is shiny. This one is to protect for, like, you know, spill stuff. And I will move it by myself. Slide it, I guess. And you, I don't want you to scratch the chair. Oh, you are hard head. Still wait over here so the dog can't get in yet. And I'm just watching the show. Come here. It's just me. No one in there. Yeah. Okay, Dada. Mister. Behave. Mas gay ko. Mga gay ulo ni mo tao. Ano mga gay? Yes, you guys are gay ulo. Hardhead. I wanna lie down, and you know what? I can't even go lie down because somebody is lying down on the couch. Look. This is Dimples, guys. So I'm not gonna kick her over here. And somebody woke up from nap. Yeah, somebody woke up from a nap. Somebody woke up. Oh, the other one is here too. You enjoying them? I don't even plant my thing yet. I probably go later after this. But look, I have more over here. Maginaw-ginaw pa rin kasi I think 60, 65 right now degree outside. So it's not bad. Not bad, not bad. You just need sweater to go out. Hi guys, I just came in from outside. And then suddenly there's a cat crying like crazy that something attacking the cat. It's a pretty cat. And then because the cat is screaming because something attacked the cat, my two dogs, mga baliw talaga ding aso ko. Nababaliw na rin ako sa kanila. Ay naku, gumagara din. And I said, come in, come in. I feel bad with the cat. I see the cat running and then the dog's following, but at least the dog is in the other side. Ay, higa muna ako guys. At saka surfing ng trabaho online. You're so cute. No matter what you do, you're the cutest. Guys, I can't even close my eyes. I love you so much. I love you so much. No licky. I love you so much. Why? I do love you very much. No, baby. I know you love me. What can I tell you? Enough with the leaking, oi. Enough with the leaking, oi. Enough with it, oi. Yes, I love you. Yes. But anyway, maliligo lang ako guys. Hindi pa ako kumakain. It's 6:01 already in the evening. Yeah, evening. Afternoon, evening, how do you call that? I think I called it afternoon because it's supposedly be evening already. But it's really nice outside. It's not even dark. And it's sunny still. Yeah, so that's what happened in 6 o'clock. That's probably until like 8 or 7:30 or something. Wala na akong ligo. Mabahi-bahi na ako guys. Mabahi-bahi. Natanim ko na siya actually. Ito yan. Ito yun. Ano ba itong screen? Ay, hold on guys. Hey, let me see your butt. Let me see your butt rock. So ito, 5 siya. Tumutubo bago pa ito tumubo. Ay, wag niyo itong kainin guys ha. Don't eat this guys ha. Let's see if she will try to. Okay. Don't worry guys, if I use it, I'm going to wash it anyway. You guys do your business that mama can go take a shower, huh? You wanna go pee-pee? You don't do your pee-pee, mates. Mama need to go to the bath, shower. Sobrang taba talaga niya. Iwan ko ba? Wala naman itong filter. Fertilizer pala. So taba-taba niya. O, tignan nyo yung dahon niya. Ito din ay. Ito. So yeah. Kailan pa kaya ito magbubulak? Yung bulak niya lalabas. Kailan kaya? I can't wait for the raspberry right there. Oh, somebody asked me, ano yung kakainin ko? Raspberry yan, guys. Marami siya pag magbubunga na. I think it's ready already. Tignan nyo. Oh, ano na? Yeah, ito din. Tignan nyo. Ito. Tignan nyo. Raspberry, guys. Pag magbunga na ito guys, alam nyo ba na maraming bubuyog dito pag nagbunga siya, di ba Rox? Guys, tapos na akong naligo at saka presko na talaga si Akits guys. Ay naka, ang sarap talaga pagkatapos maligo. Pag hindi pa nakaligo, ay kakapoy maligo. Ay, ang pagod maligo. It's kinda like kandingo naman talaga ako guys. Pero naglilinis ako doon. Anyway, So, yeah. My face is kind of shiny. The one that I asked you guys about, a good moisturizer that has SPF on it. I don't buy it yet because we went to Walmart, but I haven't really looked around. I did look around, but I can't find the one that I'm looking for. The Cetaphil. Cetaphil. Please send me some moisturizer with SPF. Please naman. Kung sinong naawa diyan. Kasi nagkaano na ako, guys. Nagka-pre-calls na ako, Cetaphil. Kung maganda naman yung moisturizers niyo, ba't naman hindi niyo ako bigyan? For free naman lang gudo. Wala akong pirang ibili. You're kind of sad. This carpet is folded over here. Why you're sad? Dada is not here. Yeah, Dada's working, baby. I know. No, I don't see that he's here. I said he is working. He's working. Dada is working. Yeah, Dada's working. I know you're looking at the laundry area. I know. Iba talaga pag andito si Tami, guys. Itong asong to, dalawang aso, parang baliw pag andito si Tami. Sobrang happy. Kasi pag ako lang, boring talagang life, guys. Palagi ko naman silang hinahag, kinikiss. Ayaw nila yun. Right, Rox? You love your Dada so much, right? Misty. Tablecloth. Okay. Kunin ko muna siya bago ko makalimutan na naman. So, it's kinda nice in here. You know why? It's kinda hot. Parang may tao dun. Ay, nako. Nakakatakot. Di ba may isang door pa dun? May naririnig ako. Ay, nako. Nakakatakot naman palang buhay na to. Mag-isa. Hi guys, good morning. Shout out guys. Insert shout out to Margie De Los Reyes. Hi sis, thank you for watching. And also to Maria Higis. Hi, thank you for watching. Tita Inday. Hi sisters. Hi, thank you for watching. Shout out kay Sweet Angel. Hi Sweet Angel, thank you for watching. Andito ako ngayon guys, nanonood ng news. Kasi sa Virginia may shooting. Shout out kay Lorena Pasanting. And also shout out to Excel Salvador. Hi! And also shout out kay Jeannie Sakamoto. Hi Jeannie! Thank you for watching sis. Ganda! Thanks to all of you who's watching my video. Salamat sa panonood, silent viewer. I see you. Bye! I see you a lot of silent viewer. I appreciate it, silent viewer. I appreciate it. You know, subscribe. If hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, subscribe na sis. Subscribe na, my friend, if you are not subscribing to this channel yet. Thank you. Bye-bye. Good evening, guys. Nandito na ako sa kwarto ngayon. Maano yung ilong ko, guys? Hirap igidhawa. It's hard to breathe. Stuck up. Parang drainage lang. I forgot the camera downstairs. Bago lang katatawag lang ng asawa ko, guys. He just called me and he's home already. If you wanna know where Shabs, do you wanna know? He's down there, guys. And then later on, he will come up here and sleep here on my armpits or on my here in my legs area. Ito pillow ito, guys. Hinahag ko ito palagi kasi maganda itong ihag itong pillow. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it so much. Yeah. Time check. It is 1:30, guys. 1:30 in the morning. That's when he's sleeping. He sleep with me all the time. Matulog muna kami. Kung tayo lang mag-usap, guys. Tingnan natin kung malaki ba. Ay nako, pambog na. Mayabang na. Favorite vlogger.